Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match number 90 underway. This is the 3/4 mark of our qualification round here on the Croft division. 14-7-39 over on the Blue Alliance. Sending up shots. That's Metal Benders from Michigan. Bringing in more artifacts that roll their way down through the classifier. Coming in for 3 points apiece. Red Alliance setting up some shots. 13-4, 14 Circuit Breakers comes in for some close shots. As 24-3-24 Strive from Thailand lines up for some final far shots as time expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance taking a lead 40-35 coming out of the autonomous period. Now trying to cement that lead. Circuit Breakers with the first shots of teleoperated, bringing in more points to this Red Alliance. Continuing artifacts continuing to go up for these teams. 11-409 on the Blue Alliance. That's Kraken Coders. Trying to fire, getting a bit pushed around by Circuit Breakers, but their artifacts stay right on target. Now that Blue Alliance member, Metal Benders, shooting up some artifacts after having cleared out the gate. As a reminder, if artifacts roll off the top, they are worth 1 point as opposed to 3, if not 5, for possible motif bonuses. So teams need to keep those gates clear. Artifacts flying. Looks like everyone wants the near launch zone. Definitely making traffic management tricky as everyone is trying to get to about the same place on the field. Circuit Breakers find an opening, slide right on through, but their artifact does go high and wide, staying out of the goal for now. Blue Alliance clearing their gate once again, making space for those artifacts to roll on in. 55 seconds to go, 109-90 as these artifacts keep on rolling by. Red Alliance has a lead, but not by that much. 30 points in decode really isn't that much. More and more artifacts keep on flowing in. Look at the nice traffic flow of these teams flowing around each other as possible. 14-7-39 and 11-4-09, both on the Blue Alliance, just firing in parallel. Circuit Breaker sliding right on into a nice edge that no one is really using. These teams working as hard as they can to get around each other. But with 25 seconds left to go, looks like Metal Benders pivoting strategy, lining up from afar as we hit the end game, using that far launch zone to avoid the traffic of the near launch zone, giving them an easier chance to cycle and more opportunities to score. 10 seconds left. We have well entered the end game. Team still focusing on those artifacts. Metal Benders with a final shot from afar. Now they line up for a possible full park in the end game. Their alliance partners, Kraken Coders, come in as time expires.
Red Alliance with a score of 209 points. Let's do this.